with a dynamic montage of India's landscape, historic moments, and a glimpse of Indira Gandhi. India, a land of rich history and diverse cultures, has seen many leaders who have left an indelible mark on its journey. Among them stands a formidable figure, a woman who carried the legacy of her father and carved her own path in the annals of history, Indira Gandhi. Born on 19 November 1917, in Allahabad, Indira Priyadarshini Nehru was destined for greatness. As the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, she was introduced to the world of politics and leadership at an early age. Her father, a visionary leader, played a pivotal role in shaping modern India. Little did he know that his daughter would one day carry his torch forward with unparalleled vigor. Indira's journey was not without its challenges. She pursued her education in India and abroad, absorbing diverse perspectives and ideas. This intellectual foundation would later fuel her determination to transform India. In 1966, following the untimely death of Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi stepped into the role of Prime Minister. She was the first and, to this day, the only woman to hold this position in India. Her ascent to power was met with skepticism, but she soon proved her mettle. One of her significant achievements was the Green Revolution. Through innovative agricultural policies and the introduction of high-yield crop varieties, Indira Gandhi transformed India's food production, making the country self-sufficient and averting widespread hunger. This revolution not only fed millions but also uplifted the lives of countless farmers. In 1971, under her leadership, India faced a critical moment, the Indo-Pakistani War. Indira Gandhi's decisive actions and strategic brilliance led to a resounding victory, resulting in the creation of Bangladesh. This triumph solidified her position as a powerful leader on the global stage. Indira Gandhi's influence extended beyond national borders. She was a strong advocate for non-alignment during the Cold War, maintaining India's sovereignty and fostering relations with both the Western and Eastern blocs. Her speeches at international forums resonated with the ideals of peace and cooperation. However, her tenure was not without controversy. In 1975, Indira Gandhi declared a state of emergency, citing threats to national security. This period saw the suspension of civil liberties and a clampdown on political dissent. It was a dark chapter that left a lasting impact on India's democratic fabric. Despite the tumult, Indira Gandhi's dedication to her country never wavered. She returned to power in 1980, demonstrating her resilience and unyielding spirit. Her focus on women's empowerment and social reforms laid the foundation for a more inclusive India. Tragically, on 31 October 1984, Indira Gandhi was assassinated, leaving the nation in shock and mourning. Her legacy, however, lives on. From the institutions named in her honor to the policies that continue to shape India, Indira Gandhi's impact is enduring and profound. Indira Gandhi was more than a prime minister, she was a symbol of strength, courage, and determination. She paved the way for future generations of women to dream big and achieve greatness. Her story is a testament to the power of perseverance and the enduring spirit of India. Indira Gandhi, a leader, a visionary, and a beacon of hope for millions. Her journey continues to inspire and her legacy lives on in the heart of India. Subscribe, like, and share.